What's up, guys? This is Shad. Got some new stuff for the Mustang. As you guys may have already seen, the Ferrari Stang is no more. Let's see what we got here. We got the American Muscle magazine. Woohoo! And we got a t-shirt, another t-shirt, and a third t-shirt. Box of t-shirts. Now, for the one that is most important, excuse my empty apartment. Got stuff on the way for it. Oh, it says Raxiom. It says taillight. New Ferrari Stang taillights. Maybe. Nope. What we have here is Raxiom's new taillight. If I can get this thing open, I can show you. Ta-da! I believe they call this their profile light. Let's see if the name's on here. Yes, the profile LED taillight. I think this looks 10 times better than the GT style taillights. Sleek. I really like how it looks smoked. I had the smoked with the Halo taillights prior. Really like those. But when I had the issue with them, they were out of stock, of course. This looks a whole lot better. Whole lot better. Is that even English? This looks a lot better. Let's hope I don't have the same condensation issues, which I don't think I will. This looks a lot better than the Halo ones. Alright, so I will pick this back up when I get these bad boys installed. Alright, and here is the final installed of the new taillights. Really like the way these look. Just looks really sleek. It might be a little futuristic, but it's 2018 anyway. Cannot wait to see what these look like at night. And there's the X-Force quad tips. Bing! Yep. UPR pony. Really like the way these look. Cannot wait to see them at night. And I will show you guys. Alrighty. And this is what they look like with the lights on.